All right, y'all. Today, I did not know this thing was going to be that huge, but I'm so glad. I got the high protein Greek berry bowl, and I substituted the blueberries for more strawberries. And then I got the high protein chocolate smoothie, and I got the 20 ounce of that. So let's try both of these. Smoothie first. That's good. It's pretty good. I don't taste like that artificial chocolate. Like sometimes when you get chocolate smoothies, you can taste the powder in the chocolate, and it's not good, but that tastes really good. Now let's get this. Oh God, I hope I don't waste it in the car. Let me grab it out this way. It got chia seeds, granola, strawberries, blueberries, and I substituted the strawberries and Greek yogurt. And honey. Did I say honey? That was amazing. I'm turning the car on, it's so hot. I was trying to make it quiet as possible for the video, but I'm sweating. Look at that bite. Okay, last bite, and then I end the video. All right, y'all, I'm about to finish eating. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.